Alright, I made some progress today. I got all this stitched in. All the filler metal back in there. Looks pretty good. So it's all kind of one piece here now, which is cool. And then I stitched in almost all the roof. This little piece here, it's where I cut a relief cut. So the only problem I have now is the roof's kind of making some weird, now that I'm jacking it up, it's making some weird like dips. So what I'm thinking is I might have to cut an X for a relief cut, and then just let those pop up and weld them back down. But so that's pretty much it. And here's the side untouched, so you can see all the shit I did on the other side.